Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a Calcutta game. To do that, you need to log in into the BGA app. Once you log in, you will see the Create Game button. Just click on the Create Game button. It will open the Create Game form. In the form, first you need to select the event. Then you need to select the course on which this game is going to be played. Let's select course, Kingwood Island. Then you need to add the game name. You can add the game name as you wish. Let's add Calcutta Test for now. Then you need to select the game type. Let's select Calcutta. Then let's enable with handicap. You can also go without handicap. After that, you need to add the start date of the game and the time of that day. Then you need to select the type. There is only one type for now, so it is selected by default. After that, you need to select the number of players option. So how many players will be playing this game? Let's go for 28 players for now. After that, you need to select all the 28 players. Click on the Select Player button. It will open the list of all the players. By default, the first 28 players will be selected. You can deselect all by clicking the Deselect All button on the top right side of the box. You can also Select All here. We can also add a custom player if you want. After confirming, click on the Select Player. Now below, you will see the Bet Per Match field, the Scode Pool Price field, Junk Pool Price field, and Points for the whole win. You can change as you wish. By default, it is pre-filled. Let's go with the default value for now. Then let's add a game thumbnail. The game thumbnail will be used for the game listing page. Okay, now let's click on the Save Game button. It will create a game. Here you will see the overview page of the game. Now before you can start adding scores, you need to configure the game. So let's go ahead and do it. In Calcutta, there are 3 rounds of bidding. Each player must pick 3 players to form a team. A player can pick only a single player in the first round and 2 players in the second and third round. Okay, so let's go to the first round of configuration. Let's tap on the Round 1 player selection. Each player can pick 1 player only. So for Anthony Adam, let's select a player. You need to add the amount. So it's basically a type of bidding process. He buys himself for $25. Let's select now for Bill. Let's select a player. He buys himself for $20. Now click on the Select Player button. Let's continue adding for all the players. So I have selected all the players. Let's click on Done. So the round 1 is now marked as done. After round 1, you need to configure matches. Now there's our matches. Here you will see all the players selected by default. After that, just click on Select Card button. Now it will shuffle the cards between the players. So you can keep tapping on the Shuffle Card button. It will keep shuffling the cards. Now click on the Generate Foursome. It will generate foursomes on the basis of cards order. Here you can see the Foursome 1, Foursome 2. Foursome 1 has been created with aces. Foursome 2 is created with all the kings. Then queens and then jacks and so on. OK. Now to generate matches, click on Generate Matches button. It will generate all the matches for all the foursomes. Here you can see Foursome 1 match. Match 1, Match 2, Match 3, Match 4 and the whole number with it. Now let's close the foursome. You will see the matches for now. Foursome 2 you will see, which is for all the foursomes. You can check it and click on Done. OK, the match has been configured successfully. Now you can continue with round 2 and then round 3. So let's go with round 2 now. In round 2, you can select 2 players for a player. So let's go ahead and do that. Now let's select Bill for $26 and Jones for $25. OK, now on the left side you will see the high and low switcher. So it will decide automatically whether you are going high or low based on your player selection. OK, so let's add 25 and 25. Claude Bird 25 and Damani Short 25. Let's continue adding for all the players again. So I have selected all the remaining players. OK, so there is no more player left for selection in round 2. So we need to close it here. So click on Done button. OK, the round 1 match is configured. Round 2 has been completed. Now let's go to round 3. Now we can select the team for the remaining players. OK, so let's go to bottom and start adding players. Now the last player remains and the 2 players remain. OK, so we have made our list of the teams for all the players. Now click on Done. OK, you will see the green tick along with all the buttons. That means the configuration has been completed. Now just simply click on the Save Game. Okay, now you can start add scoring. You will also see the foursome and the match configuration on the overview page. Now click on the Add Score. Now click on the settings icon on the foursome A. Just confirm the settings. If you want to change anything, just change it and click on Done. Now you'll see the holes. You can now start adding the score here. On the whole page, you will see the whole number, the par, and the teams that are currently playing and all the players and the leaderboard button. You can also open the box to see more details like points. If you want to add putts, the fair status, the long drive status. Okay, so currently let's start scoring. Two putts on the fairway. Okay, let's hit the next hole. Let's click on the leaderboard button. It will show all the players with the score and points. You will also see Scode and Junk here. It will keep updating as the game progresses. So I have added all the scores in all the holes. Now after that, you just need to click on the Finish Foursome 1 button. Okay, so the game is now marked as completed. You can go to the result page. You will see all the foursomes whose game has been finished. So let's go to Foursome 1. Here you will see the scorecard with the points and the total points. Below, if you go, you will see the winner's result, the Junk pool, and the Scode pool. Now here in the Win Foursome winners, you will see the match-wise winner. Match 1, the Jackson won Match 1. J. Thompson won Match 2. Match 4 is washout. There is no winner in Match 4. Now you can click on the Summary. It will open the box. Here is the summary match-wise. In Match 1, Ryan has 2 points. Jackson got 6 points. So he won the $5 match, and so on. For all the matches, you can see the settlement below. Ryan's needs to pay Jackson $5 and Thompson $5, and the other players. Okay. In the ledger, you will see all the foursomes. You can see the settlement here for all the players. Now if you click the View button, you will see all the players in that foursome and the. Now let's click on that View button. You will see David Arterburn needs to pay $4 to Ryan. He needs to pay $12 to Jordan Jackson. And $1 to Thompson. So let's click on the Pay Now button. You will see the details of the amount settlement. Now in Match 3, you will see he lost $5 to Ryan. And he won $1 to the Junk. You can also send a reminder from the below buttons. Now let's click L. Ryan. You will see the settlement for L. Ryan here. Let's click on James Thompson. You will see the settlement for James Thompson. He won $7 from Ryan. $11 he needs to pay to Jackson. And $1 he received from David Arterburn. Okay. Thank you for watching.